In the sun-drenched field, 3 bullocks, 1 black, 1 brown, and 1 white graze side by side in tranquil harmony. The bullocks find respite from the sun under the trees, their bond deepening in the shared shade. From the forest's edge, a lion watches, its eyes burning with predatory hunger, disrupting the peaceful scene. Under the sun's gaze, a herd of bullocks graze peacefully in the field. A lion stealthily approaches the black bullock, its warm breath near the bullock's ear as it whispers, "The brown and white bullocks secretly dislike you. They speak ill of you behind your back." The black bullock, initially unfazed, now glances nervously at the brown and white bullocks, doubt taking root. Days later, the bullocks graze alone, their unity shattered. The lion roars, chasing the white bullock into the forest. The black bullock realizes the lion's deceit too late, as the lion's gaze turns toward him, triumphant.